Madad. My name is Saif and I'm a proud member of the United States Jamaat based in the Southwest region. Soon, Houston will become home to the very first Ismaili Center in the United States, a center that symbolizes faith, unity, pluralism, and the exchange of cultures and ideas. I was honored with the task of designing a cube that visually and thoughtfully represents the spirit of this center, a piece that captures the meaning, history, architectural story of the Ismaili Center, serving as a unifying symbol for people of all backgrounds. This cube isn't just an art piece, it's a journey, a reflection of the values that define us. Let's take a closer look at each side of the cube, where every face tells a part of the story behind the 7th Ismaili Center in the world. The first face embodies the center's pluralistic vision, how it was shared with us during Maulana Shah Karim's time. The Ismaili Center is where pluralism takes physical form. With its open design and year-round programming, it will host concerts, exhibitions, and spaces for quiet reflection, bringing together people from all walks of life. Its architecture bridges past and present, combining traditional Persian elements like evians and ceramic mosaics with sustainable modern engineering. As part of the global family of Ismaili Centers, it serves as a living bridge for the United States, advancing Hazrat Imam's vision of unity, service, and intellectual exchange. The second face reveals the journey of the Ismaili Center, a timeline rooted in vision, patience, and purpose. It began in 2006 with the purchase of land at the crossroads of Montrose and Allen Parkway. In 2018, during his Diamond Jubilee, Maulana Shah Karim officially announced the establishment of this center. The design was entrusted to globally acclaimed architect Farshid Musavi, whose vision of blending tradition with innovation was unveiled in 2019. And most recently, in 2025, Prince Amin reviewed the artwork in progress, marking the transition from dream to reality. From above, this map shows the center's exact location, set in the heart of Houston's cultural and civic life. At the intersection of Montrose Boulevard and Allen Parkway, it sits just steps away from the museum district, connecting with the vibrant pulse of the city. This face also closes the timeline, symbolizing the center's completion in 2025. The fourth face brings us to the North Garden, a tranquil space rooted in sustainability and community. With native Texas trees and a smart rainwater collection system, it embodies climate-conscious design. The garden features peaceful areas for reflection and an open lawn that welcomes up to 2,000 guests for events. Every detail honors the balance between environmental stewardship and cultural expression. This face pays tribute to Tolerance by Jaume Plensa, 7 identical statues installed near the center in 2011. Each 10-foot figure is made up of letters from 9 alphabets, representing the power of language to unite us. The sculptures stand as a lasting reminder of mutual respect and the center's unwavering commitment to pluralism. The final face captures a 3D printed fragment of the building's exterior, a glimpse into the artistry behind the structure. The rhythmic arrangement of stone tiles plays with light and shadow as the day progresses. Designed by Farshid Musavi, it draws from geometric patterns and cultural heritage to represent permanence, openness, and a forward-looking spirit grounded in tradition. The Ismaili Center in Houston is more than a building. It is a manifestation of Maulana Hazrat Imam's vision, a place for dialogue, peace, learning, and cultural expression. I'm deeply grateful for the opportunity to interpret and express this vision through the design of this cube. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Madad.